sine of b minus c plus b cube sine of c minus a plus c cube sine of a minus b. By sine, here we have to prove this. By sine rule, we know that is sin a divided by a is equal to sin b divided by b is equal to sin c divided by c is equal to k. Therefore, we can write here that is sin a divided by a is equal to k. That will give sin a is equal to ka. That sin b divided by b is equal to k gives sin b is equal to kb, and sin c divided by c is equal to k gives sin c is equal to kc. Now we consider the LHS of proof, that LHS is equal to a cube sine of b minus c plus b cube sine of c minus a plus c cube sine of a minus b. We know the formula for sine of a minus b. We use the formula that is a cube. That sine of b minus c becomes sin b cos c minus cos b sin c plus b cube into that sine of c minus a becomes that is sin c cos a minus cos c sin a, and plus c cube into bracket that sine of a minus b becomes sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here we put the values of sin a, sin b and sin c. Therefore, here we get a cube into bracket that sin b is equal to that is kb. Therefore, here we write kb cos c minus sin c is equal to kc. Therefore, here we write kc cos b plus b cube into bracket that sin c is kc. Therefore, kc cos a minus sin a is ka, that ka cos c is as it is, plus c cube into bracket that sin a is ka, therefore that is ka and cos b as it is, minus sin b, value of sin b is kb, therefore here we write kb and cos a as it is. Therefore, we take all these k common from each bracket. Therefore, here we write k a cube into bracket b cos c minus c cos b plus b cube into bracket b cube into k into bracket c cos a minus a cos c plus c cube into k into bracket a cos b minus b cos a. Now we substitute the values of cos a, cos b and cos c by using cosine rule. Therefore, here we get k a cube into bracket that b into bracket the value of cos c is a cube a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab minus c into the value of cos b, that is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. Here we complete the bracket. Next term, that is b cube into k into bracket that c as it is, and the value of cos a is the value of cos A is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc minus a as it is into the value of cos C is, that is a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Bracket complete. Then last term, that is c cube k into bracket a as it is into cos b, that the value of cos b is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca and minus b into bracket the value of cos a, that is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Now here bb get cancel, here cc get cancel, here cc get cancel, here aa get cancel, here also aa get cancel, here also bb get cancel. Therefore here we write, that is ka cube into bracket, that is a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2a minus c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2a plus second term, that is b cube into k into bracket, that is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2b minus a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2b. And the last term is c cube k into bracket c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2c minus b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2c. Here in each bracket we can see the denominators are same, therefore we can add or subtract their numerators directly. Therefore here we write, that is equal to ka cube into bracket, that is a square plus b square minus c square. Here is minus sign, therefore we change the signs of each term in the second fraction. Therefore here we write, that is minus c square, that plus a square becomes minus a square, and that minus b square becomes plus b square, and this divided by 2a. Then plus second term, that is b cube k into another bracket, they both have denominator 2b, therefore here we write, that is b square plus c square minus a square, that minus a square minus b square plus c square divided by 2b plus the last term, that is c cube k into bracket, that is c square plus a square minus b square minus b square minus c square plus a square divided by 2c. Now here plus a square minus a square get cancelled. Here also that plus b square minus b square get cancelled, and here that is plus c square and minus c square get cancelled. Therefore here we write, that is equal to that is ka cube into bracket, that is b square plus b square, that is 2b square minus c square, that is minus 2c square divided by 2a plus b cube k into bracket, that is plus c square that is 2c square, that minus a square becomes minus 2a square divided by 2b plus c cube k into bracket, that is plus a square that is 2a square, and that minus b square becomes minus 2b square divided by 2c. Here we cancel a from this cube, therefore here remaining square. Here also we cancel b from this cube, here remaining square. Here also we cancel c from this c cube, here remaining c square. Therefore here we get ka square into bracket 2b square minus 2c square divided by 2 plus kb square into bracket 2c square minus 2a square divided by 2 plus kc square into bracket 2a square minus 2b square divided by 2. We take 2 common from each numerator and cancel with this denominator. We get k square into bracket b square minus c square plus kb square into bracket c square minus a square plus kc square into bracket a square minus b square. Now we multiply this term in the bracket, therefore we get ka square b square minus ka square c square plus kb square c square minus ka square b square plus ka square c square minus kb square c square. That minus kb square c square cancels with plus kb square c square. That ka square b square cancels with minus ka square b square, and that minus ka square c square cancels with plus ka square c square, here remaining 0, that is our right hand side. Hence we proved the given equality. Now the next example is in triangle ABC, if cot A, cot B, cot C are in arithmetic progression, then show that A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. Okay, here given that cot A, comma cot B and cot C are in arithmetic progression. Therefore, here we write 2 times of cot B is equal to cot A plus cot B. That is equal to that cot A, that is cos A divided by sin A, plus that cot B is cos B divided by sin B. Sorry, here cot C divided by sin C. Here we take cross product, we get that is sin C cos A plus cos C sin A divided by sin A sin C. If we interchange the two terms in the numerator and write it as, that is sin A, the second term we write first, and that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This divided by sin A sin C. That is equal to, that we know that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B. Therefore here instead of B we have C, therefore here we write that is sin of A plus C, and this divided by sin A sin C. That is equal to, here we write sin B divided by sin A sin C. because we know that in any triangle ABC, that is A plus B plus C, in any triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, that is pi. Therefore, if we write here A plus C is equal to pi minus B and applying sine ratio on both sides, here we get sine of A plus C is equal to sine of pi minus B. And we know that is sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. Therefore, here we get that is sine B. Therefore, here instead of sine of A plus C, we write sine B. Okay, therefore, and that cot 2 times of cot B, there here we write that is 2 times of cos B divided by sine B. And in the right hand side there is sine B divided by sine A into sine C. If we take the cross product, here we get that is 2 cos B sine into sine A sine C is equal to sine square B. And by sine rule, we know that is sine A divided by A is equal to sine B divided by B is equal to sine C divided by C is equal to K, and this gives sine A is equal to AK, comma sine B is equal to BK, and sine C is equal to CK. If we substitute these values in this equation, we will get that is 2 cos B into that sine A is equal to AK into sine C, that is CK, and is equal to sine square B, that is B square K square. Now that K square cancels with these 2K, and here we get that is 2 times of cos B is equal to 2 times of cos B is equal to B square divided by AC. Now if we substitute the value of cos B, here we get that is 2 times of that by cosine rule cos B is C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA is equal to B square divided by AC. Here 2 get cancelled. Here remaining that is C square plus A square minus B square divided by AC is equal to B square divided by AC. That both the denominators AC get cancelled. Here remaining that is C square plus A square minus B square is equal to B square, that is equal to C square plus A square is equal to B square, that minus B square becomes that is plus B square, that is equal to 2B square, that is it will give 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. That shows that A square comma B square and C square are in arithmetic progression. Hence we proved. The next example is in triangle ABC, if A cos A is equal to B cos B, then prove that the triangle is right angled triangle or it is an isosceles triangle. Here given condition is A cos A is equal to B cos B. By sine rule we know that is A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sin C is equal to 2R, and it will give A is equal to 2R sin A, B is equal to 2R sin B, and C is equal to 2R sin C. Therefore, in the given equality, we substitute the value of A, that is 2R sin A, and the value of B is 2R sin B. Therefore, here we get the given equality as, that is 2R sin A, and that cos A is as it is equal to the value of B is 2R sin B, and that cos B is as it is. That 2R from both sides we cancel. Here we get, that is sin A cos A is equal to sin B cos B. Again here we multiply 2 on both sides. We get 2 sin A cos A, that equal to 2 sin B cos B, and we know that is 2 sin theta cos theta, it is sin of 2 theta. Therefore the left hand side becomes sin of 2A and the right hand side becomes sin of 2B. If we bring this sin to be in the left hand side, it is a positive term. If we bring it is in the left hand side, it becomes minus. Therefore here we get sin of 2A minus sin of 2B is equal to 0. That is, now we know that formula for sin A minus sin B, that is 2 times of cos of A plus B upon 2 into sin of A minus B upon 2. Instead of A we have 2A, and instead of B we have 2B. Therefore we write this formula as 2 times of cos of 2A plus 2B divided by 2 into sin of 2A minus 2B divided by 2 is equal to 0. Here we take 2 common from numerator and cancel with these 2. Here also we take 2 common from the numerator and we cancel it with denominator. We get 2 cos of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to 0. Now these 2 here we cancel, we get cos of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to 0. That cos of A plus B, that becomes, that is cos of pi minus C into that sin of A minus B as it is equal to 0, because A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, that is pi. Therefore A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Therefore here we write, instead of A plus B, here we write cos of pi minus C. Now that is, and we know that is cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Therefore here we write minus of cos C into sin of A minus B is equal to 0. Here the product of these two terms are 0, implies that minus of cos C is equal to 0 or sin of A minus B is equal to 0. Therefore, that minus cos C is 0 means cos C is equal to 0 or sin of A minus B is equal to 0 as it is. That cos ratio is 0. When, for what value of cos ratio is 0? We know that is cos of pi by 2 is 0. Okay, cos of pi by 2 is equal to 0 gives that C is equal to pi by 2. C is equal to pi by 2, or the value of sin ratio is 0 for 0. or we know that is sin 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, here we write a minus b is equal to 0 and it will give a is equal to b. Therefore, that a is equal to b means the two angles are same, and we know that if two angles, any two angles of triangle are same, then it is isosceles triangle. Or here we proved that angle C is pi by 2. Therefore, it becomes right angled triangle. Therefore, for given condition, either the given triangle is right angled triangle, the given triangle is right angled triangle, or it is an isosceles triangle. Hence we proved.